Hey there, this is Greg. So I got this little mist fridger filter. It's filtering out the water and the ice to make it sure it's cleaner. And out here in where I live at, water's not so hot, so it's really good to have in here. So I got this at Amazon. It's way cheaper than what you can get at the store. If you go to like one of these hardware stores or appliance store, you're gonna pay probably about $40 to $50 for a filter like this. It's way overpriced. So I found these at Amazon. I was around, $20 I think. Way cheaper, and they do the exact same thing. So they're really easy to put in and out. On mine, it's real easy. You just gotta open it up here, and you'll see it already put it in. All you gotta do is to take it out. Just turn it counterclockwise. There you go. And then it comes out. Little water's going to come out. No big deal. Just wipe it up. It's not going to keep spraying or nothing like that. That's about it. So you take it out and dispose the old one. And so if you're going to put a new one in, you just put it on there, kind of push it in a little bit, and then twist it to the right there, like clockwise there. And you just want to make it hand tight, nothing crazy like that. And then just close it up. And that's about it. I think you're supposed to run water through your thing for a little bit. I've already done that, but I'm going to have to do it again since I took it out, put it in, but no big. So I hope this helped you out here, make you a better buying choice. It's a really good filter. Filters out the water just great, just like anything you buy at the store. All right, have a good day. Bye-bye.